What we are gonna do with bad mind? Get the mouse. You want to take my crown, you have a way with your soul. Pick up the eagle and made it, pitch it up.
Beenie Man, the king of dancehall.
Alright, so I know Beenie Man go vex na dog. You get me? I know Beenie Man go vex. Alright, so Billboard has featured Vybz Kartel as the returning king of the dancehall, and can he reclaim his throne?
But you're not taking issues with Kartel, are you?
For what reason? I'm not taking no issue with Kartel. Every man wants to be king, you know. And I'm proud that somebody want my crown. It's like, seriously. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, Kemar McGregor says Beenie Man is the king of dancehall and Buju Banton is the king of reggae. Deva Bratt made a diss song coming for Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm. Vybz Kartel also dropped a snippet of a new song shading Beenie Man about the crown. Oral Tracy gives his 2 cents about Vybz Kartel being the man. Nuffy says that Prime Minister Andrew Holness is not giving Vybz Kartel the props he deserves. So we definitely have a lot to talk about in this video. So if it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, like the video, leave a comment, and share. Check this out.
Yeah, me the king of one job, just like a Beenie Man, the king of dancehall. That's how you go. Yeah, man, guys. Yo, no matter what, a Beenie Man, the king of dancehall, and we know that. And Buju Banton are the king of reggae. Nobody can take that from them. You understand me? Because you say Buju is the only reggae artist who can perform one night appear, roots and culture, lovers back in the place, burn down, and the next night him can go do a dancehall set in the place, burn down. So this is why Buju is the king of reggae. No disrespect to Bob Marley. Bob Marley, do him for though, and we salute him. But Bob Marley is not as great as Buju, because Bob Marley cannot do dancehall. He only can just do one style, one of the genre, right? So Bob just can do the lovers rock and the roots and culture. Buju can do all of them, right? So this is why Buju is the king of reggae, right? Yeah. And Beenie Man is the king of the dancehall. You know, yeah. And Beenie Man is king of the dancehall worldwide, right? Beenie Man is not just king of the dancehall in the diaspora, Jamaica. You know, people that just make bag of nights. Beenie Man is king of the dancehall worldwide, yeah? And here why? Because here what? Beenie Man is one of the only dancehall artists that you can go to the 4 corners of the world and say, yo, Sim, everybody say, who got the keys to the beamer? You understand me? So, the dancehall artists that might run on the title, we say them a king of the dancehall. No, Beenie Man is the king of the dancehall, and respect to every dancehall artist, what do them thing. Now take one of the flowers, but Beenie is the real king of the dancehall, and Buju is the king of reggae. Kemar McGregor, the Billboard king, we should want all that platinum on the wall, right? So, kings and kings, alright? So you go.
This kingship talk and this kingship fight over has been happening for some time now. Even when people did say Massacre was the new king, but since Vybz Kartel come out, you know, a different thing, you know, everybody a debate between Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man. So some TikTokers had their 2 cents in regards to who is the king of the dancehall. So check this out.
Now question, who is really the king of the dancehall? Is it Beenie Man, Moses Davis? Or is it Vybz Kartel, Adidja, Palmer? No, you know you can't have 2 kings, right? Well, not 2 kings of the same kingdom. So it has to be 1 king and 1 king only. Well, Beenie Man is a crowned king at the event, and people at that time was saying that he was the king. And Beenie Man is a Grammy Award winning dancehall artist. So some would question and say, hey, he's the king because of these accolades, of these achievements. But then you have the streets, you got the people of Jamaica and maybe international people as well, saying that Vybz Kartel is the true king because of his reach, his influence on people, you know, like he made the sales of Clark sky high. He even make people of Jamaica start using bleaching cream. But how do you really define a king? Is it based on how much records you sell or your influence on people? And I think Beenie Man just only have a Grammy over Vybz Kartel, to be honest. Because Vybz Kartel has sold a numerous of numbers as it relates to his records. He has more international collaboration than many artists. Not to take nothing away from Beenie Man, but I think Beenie Man was just the king of his era. Now, as it relates to Vybz Kartel is genuinely loved by the Jamaican people. And the people show that love by turning out to his Freedom Street concert. Now, here's my opinion. I think Beenie Man is a king of performance. He's a king of performing. You have some honorable mention like Agent Sasko, Idona Bounty Killer, Capleton, and maybe Elephant Man. So out of all those performers, I think Beenie Man is the king of performing. And as for impact, hit songs, and just the genuine love from the Jamaican people, I would give Vybz Kartel the nod as the king of the dancehall. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Who is the king of the dancehall?
Alright, you guys can tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think King Beenie Man is still the present king, or is it the new Vybz Kartel is the king of the dancehall? Let me know in the comments. Now on to the next topic. Deva Bratt made a diss song and bring up Shanstown name and Kartel name. So you guys check this out and let me know what you think.
Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them beat me up under, if them a dog. Them face well big like it is a frog. Foot on no eye from Sean, you know see him a chop. Big transmission, who no give him a flap. For 13 years, him go sleep on a slab. Come up with him pants a sand, I must have fat. Never brought his back in, fully fair. Full court press, put crap in a net. Disrespect me, not take me pick up and take until learn. Aim to the target, defect it again. Them with this microwave, microwave. Them know me head hotter than a microwave. I'm gonna rifle wave. We know you are coward, so not gonna like your brave. You like to win.
Fresh drop.
Sometimes when you say pass me go dig up shoes. You like to win. She think of fuck and you cry. She never deny. You like to win. You wouldn't do the same thing friends do for you. You like to win. You're a freaky guy. You're not a guy.
You guys tell me what you think about the song in the comment section. So Vybz Kartel, he posted this in his story. I think it was last night or yesterday, but I saw it and I listened to it and I heard him mention something about the crown. So I know say I've been in money my shade. So check this out.
Them did want the favor locking on to him stay. Hey, what the sun done me knows? What we a got do with bad mind? What we do with some title gas? Knock us the business with us now. Them ain't nobody's gal a short going out down. We do it for bank account, them a do it for the cloud. She said the duffel bag, she want do it fishy mouth. Stop watch and chatty gal boy, real fishy mouth. Who want to be rich, ever pre-rich house? You want to take my crown, you have a way with your soul. Pick up the eagle and made it pigeon sound.
Yeah, you want to say? You want to take my crown, there's a way out. Well, I don't know. That's just a snippet, so we have to just wait for the entire song to see what I'm going for it. But you guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section. Oral Tracy also has his 2 cents about the whole situation. So this is what he had to say.
Vybz Kartel, the most visible character in the country right now. Vybz Kartel have a big monumental. There was circumstance around Kartel and the Freedom Street concert and the whole life. Kartel life, But I make a good movie, people. This is not Jamaica thing we are talking about now, We are talking about internationally, Kartel life story when we are talking about in the video already. That's a great material for a movie, people. So when we not talk about them, so now, Vegas say politics. But Vegas, me never know say. Me never know say we still have full people like you, members. Vegas I get programming up to do them something whatever you know.
The other day when Freedom Street was held, I saw a post on Instagram was saying you have 18 jets coming and people did say, I know all of them are Vybz Kartel, right? And I'm sure them coming. But still, you have an Airbnb with it book out, the hotel them with it book out. And, people has been saying that the government hasn't shown Vybz Kartel any, gratitude. Say, big up to you, are you making people them fly in a Kingston or whatever. So, nothing now, shed some light on that and say feel a way about it. So, check it out.
I have to give this man props.
People are buying ticket. People want a shirt. Hotel sold out. Airbnb sold out. But I'm still say Andrew get it. Kartel no props. I'm vexed about that.
And you're in reference, you're in reference to the Prime Minister, yeah, sir.
Yeah, man. Andrew, call a spade. Because if you have Kartel as that person, then you are just the same, because you're not different. We don't want to sound up. I want them, no, they can hate me for some things in our other things, you know, but me just a man with a short. So if you want to say, you know what I read, come sure if Kartel it come out and say, Andrew, you don't reach that show. Mr. Babs reach that show, because that show. Andrew, make we have a level Jamaican, man. In a 2025, man. Understand and get up and get the youth in props. What I do? Because you got about your show.
Andrew, maybe no one give him props because, you know, them probably just have him in a different light, probably look at him as a criminal, and they just don't want to associate with him. But at the same time, give Caesar to Caesar what Caesar deserves, because me know a lot of people benefit from Freedom Street. The vendor them will sell in there, sell peanut and cigarettes and them sitting there. All of the hairdresser them where the girl them come and dolly down make up everything. Everybody get money off of Freedom Street. Think about it. Nails, ear, everything, eyelash, everything. The Airbnb, the people them were left from town and for book place to sleep. The hotel them for the foreigner them were flying. The bus driver them we do tour. We know them make money. But as I go. But we the people, we're glad for Vybz Kartel, and me know the tourism get a little boost off of that. So big up Vybz Kartel, big up Prime Minister same way. If this is your first time on my channel and you've reached this far in the video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. This is it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.